Hey folks, Coach Wade here. Today I'm going to be talking about the 10th knot in our Knots to Know series. It's the sheet bend. Sheet bend. The sheet bend is used to attach two pieces of line or two pieces of rope together to basically make a longer rope if you need to. In that way it's similar to the third knot we learned, the square knot. But this sheet bend is a little different. In fact, it's got an advantage. I think it's about as easy to tie, but the better thing about the sheet bend is you'll recall from learning when we did the square knot, it's important that when you tie the square knot that the ropes be of equal diameter. They need to be the same width. If they're not of the same width or diameter, there's a good chance it's going to slip and fail. And in general, we also talked about the square knot is very easy to come undone or come loose if it comes under tension and lose tension, under tension and lose tension. And we went all to the trouble of tying an extra knot at the ends of our square knot to secure it a little more. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you the sheet bend. Okay, so one thing about the sheet bend is it allows us to tie knots of different widths. One thing to know though, when we make this knot, the thicker knot is going to be the one we're going to start with. So when we start with our sheet bend, we're going to take the thicker piece of line, the one with the wider diameter, and we're going to make a bite in that thicker line. I take the loop in that bite, and now I take my thinner line. I'm going to pass the running end of the thinner line through that bite, wrap it around, and notice I like to put my finger there just to make a hole. We wrap it around our original standing line, our original thicker line, and then back underneath itself, create a lock and collar, and that's simply our sheet bend. And what we have there is it's going to look like a figure eight, but a figure eight made out of two lines. And remember that we want to have the running ends of both lines sticking out with at least a 4-inch pigtail at the end. I'm going to bring it up. If you want to zoom in nice and tight, we can take a good close look at that.
Got it.
That's it, folks. That's the sheet bend. Thanks very much.